Then I have to create some card here to create a username. Needs to get end user will enter that username and password. Okay. For that, first of all, we have to install the Bootstrap, because throughout the application we require a Bootstrap as well. So first, the initial part is to install that Bootstrap as well. Just a minute, I have forgot one thing. I'm sorry for that. Just wait. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Sorry for that. Just I never that I required some text file. I just copy the text file. Okay. Fine. First, I have to install a Bootstrap. So we can install that Bootstrap. What is the instruction of that Bootstrap to install offline Bootstrap? Yes. Tell me.
npm
Yes.
install bootstrap version @4.6. Hyphen save.
Correct. So initially we can install that packages in our application. So it will install. It's not like okay. It is installed at 4.6.2. That is the Bootstrap. We have to integrate that. So we can use in your style.css. We use @import. Okay. Just we use a path that is a bootstrap /dist/css and bootstrap.css. Okay, now we can access the Bootstrap in our application. Okay, fine. Now I have to create a UI for the login.